Welcome to the next generation of keyboards with the Vulcan II TKL Pro. This iteration builds upon the great legacy the original Roccat keyboard created. This keyboard is more than just a second iteration of an existing product. It takes the improvements within our Vulcan II line and takes it to another level. Of course, this keyboard comes with some familiar features such as anti-ghosting technology, our IMO RGB lighting, easy shift button duplicator, 3 adjustable height leg stands, and third-party keycap compatibility. We've added new technology to our switches, introducing Hall effect magnetic switches. Not only does it make them more durable and accurate, but it also allows us to add brand new features. Every key now has adjustable actuation points, which you can customize to your preference. In total, there are 40 points tracked, ranging from 0.1mm all the way to 4mm, so you can increase the speed of your clicks and even eliminate accidental key clicks. On the board, you can change all the keys at once, but with Swarm 2 you can change it on a per key basis. But that's not the only reason why this is important. The Vulcan II TKL Pro also features rapid trigger, which eliminates the downtime between key presses, so you can press keys faster than it's possible on a standard keyboard. It results in better movement control and responsiveness, which in turn can improve your elusiveness and strafing in-game to give you a competitive edge. This works because the reset point isn't fixed, but instead the switch resets once the key begins to travel in the opposite direction. You can set this by key from as small as 0.1mm all the way to 1mm, with individual settings for the up and down strokes. The Vulcan II TKL Pro allows you to assign up to 3 inputs per key. By tracking the travel distance of the switch, it can lead to different outputs. So you can register up to 3 actions per key depending on how far you push or release the button. With this keyboard, you can set different movement speeds depending on how far you push the key. This is something that isn't achievable on keyboards until now. So you can have your character go from walking to jogging to sprinting with just 1 key. This can effectively mimic the same outputs as an analog stick on controller, so you can get exactly the specific movement you need in-game. This feature is fully customizable in our Swarm 2 software. If you want something more akin to a controller, this keyboard features a controller emulator. In the USB, there's a dedicated controller endpoint when you plug it into your computer. It's recognized as both a keyboard and a controller. Thanks to the Hall effect magnetic switch technology, you can emulate the same results as a controller has. You can replicate the smooth 360-degree movements you get with an analog stick, as well as left and right trigger control for gradual acceleration and braking in racing games. This concept extends to the full extent of a controller, covering every button you would find on an Xbox controller. If you have concerns about how this affects your keyboard outside of gaming, don't worry. These customizations can be assigned to profiles when game mode is activated. When you're done gaming, turn it off and your keyboard will return to normal, so you don't have awkwardly different actuation points when doing everyday tasks and regular typing. This keyboard is also extremely practical. It can save your custom configurations onto the board directly and features a detachable, left-mounted USB-C connection. It also comes with a soft palm rest for comfort during long gaming sessions. If you're looking for a keyboard that gives you the extra competitive edge over the competition, then look no further than the Vulcan II TKL Pro.